Yes, sir. Let's go. You too. What's happening with it, man? It's your boy TRAVYJ. Back at you with another video. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling great today, man, on this Tuesday evening, man. Hey, man, today was a long day, y'all. Man, Atlanta, Georgia has some crazy weather today, man. It felt like a monsoon out there, man. It is still raining as we speak, y'all. I mean, it's been non-stop since about 5 o'clock this morning, man. So I don't know what's going on with the weather, man. But hopefully, man, this rain clears up, man, because your boy got some on feast to do, man. So, hey, I'm gonna need that weather to get right, man. I need some sunshine so we can get back outside and, like I say, put this content together, man, so I can bring out some on feet action for this weekend's release. But anyway, man, like I said, man, I hope everybody's feeling good, man, trying to spread positive vibes to kick off the week. And listen, man, today, you know, nothing too crazy. I just got a little unboxing for y'all, man. Just want to go over a shoe that kind of been looking at for about 2 weeks now, man. I purchased this shoe like a couple of days before Christmas, and it's just been sitting here, man. I said I'm gonna get to it today. Every day I come home from work, I look at it, I say, we're gonna do that video today, and I just haven't got around to it until now. You know what I'm saying? So today is the day, man. We're gonna go ahead and unbox these shoes and let y'all know what I think about them, man. Now, this particular shoe I'm gonna show y'all today, I've had my eye on ever since I saw first images of it. Now, we've seen this shoe before, but it's got a different spin on it, man, and I think I like this version a lot better than the original. So we're gonna unbox it, man, and I want to know y'all thoughts and opinions on it as well, because I think they knocked it out of the park with this one. Okay, so with all that being said, let's go and dive in and check these shoes out, man. So if this is your first time pulling up, checking out the channel, do me a favor, man, and go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that way you're notified every single time I drop another video. And also, if you want to see some dope fits, fly kicks, go and give your boy a follow over on Instagram at TRAVYJOFFICIAL. That's where I put on the drip, man. That's where I put my outfit of the day, kicks of the day, things of that nature on there, man. So I'm trying to get the numbers up on the gram as well, man. So definitely give your boy a follow, man, and you will not be disappointed. Once again, that's TRAVYJOFFICIAL. And when you give me a follow, man, it'll truly be greatly appreciated. All right, y'all. We're to go and check out these shoes, because like I said, man, I've been looking at this shoe for about 2 weeks now, and the anticipation is growing, so let's go and check them out. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, so once again, you know, this is just another, you know, basic sneakers app pickup, man. You know, these are fairly easy to get, and if I'm not mistaken, they're actually still sitting on the sneakers app right now. You know, this particular silhouette has kind of died down. You know, if it's not you know, any hype around it or anything like that, you know, usually the regular colorways are going to sit, and that's just how it is nowadays with the sneaker game, man. Okay, y'all, so as I'm taking these out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know we're taking a look at some dunks today. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the details, man. Today we got the women's Nike Dunk Low Premium. Colorway is gonna be Sport Red Sheen Straw Sail. I went with a size 10.5. This is a women's shoe. So whenever you're purchasing a women's shoe, it's always a size and a half up from your men's size. So with that being said, this will be a 10.5 because I am a men's size 9. And let's go ahead and open up the box, man, and let's go ahead and see what we got. So these shoes right here are gonna come individually wrapped, which is nice. Like to see that, but that means you got some good materials on it. That's what that usually means. And today, y'all, we got, yes sir, we got the Dunk Low Bacons, man. Blast from the past, right? I told y'all we seen this shoe before, man. I just think this colorway looks better on a dunk. You know, with me being older now, man, Air Max 90s is just not my speed, man. I think I could definitely get away with, you know, doing a dunk, you know, with this day and age. I just don't really care for Air Max 90s like that. You know, if it's not an Air Max 1 or Air Max 97, I'm cool on it, man. I used to be a big fan of the 90s back in the day, but I got rid of all those, man. I think the only Air Max 90 that I still have in my collection is the Galaxy colorway. Other than that, I got rid of all the rest of them. But man, listen, the quality on these is amazing. I mean, from the red nubuck all wrapped around the shoe, you've got a buttery tumble leather on your side panel right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn it around and let y'all see what I'm looking at on the medial side, man. I mean, can y'all see that? Look how buttery and tumble that is, man. But it's also got a nice nubuck on the pink swoosh as well. Toe box is really nice. I mean, y'all see it for yourselves, man. I mean, hey, I'm gonna let y'all look at it and speak for yourself. I don't want to talk this up or try to hype this shoe up or anything, but I mean, I think it's just a cool little shoe, man. Cool little casual shoe to wear, you know, in the summertime. Also, you got leather in the sock liner as well. So that tells you right there, man. It's just got a premium feel to it. Definitely got some nice quality and upgraded materials on these. On the back, you've got Nike branding and a nice brown suede as well. You got an all white midsole on these. Outsole, all brown. They definitely did these right this time, man, on this silhouette, man. The Dunk, you know, you can't go wrong with it. You got tan laces in these. I want to say back with the Air Max 90, they gave you like 2 extra laces with it, but these right here, they only come with standard with these tan laces, man. So but I can go get me some pink laces or some red laces and you know, do it like that. But if I'm honest with y'all, I'll probably just go ahead and go with white laces just to keep it simple. I think white laces will go real crazy in these. But yeah, man, y'all comment below, let me know what y'all rate these on a scale of 1 to 10. I know it's a women's exclusive, so most guys probably didn't even blink twice at these, but this was a cool little shoe to me, man. You know, since I had the Bacons before, man, you know, this colorway just kind of stuck out to me. So I was like, you know what, man, I know these are gonna sit. Nobody's gonna really go after these like that. So let me get my Bacons back in the collection, man. Even if it's just another silhouette, man. But I definitely dig these way better than the Air Max 90s. But you got a pink tongue on these, nylon tongue with brown tag with Nike branding in red, which is a nice hit. And like I said, man, this is a cool little shoe, man. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna bring these out during the summertime. You know, with a nice little fit, man. Come on, man. You know, the hat is on point with it. Got the shirt already, man. So I'm already halfway there. You know what I mean? But listen, you know, I actually bought this hat when I bought the Air Max 90. So and that tells you this hat is 2 years old, and this is my first time putting this on my head. So that just goes to show that, you know, this hat had purpose, and I guess it was meant to be, man. It all came full circle. So, you know, we got some Bacons, man, and I got a hat to match these shoes already. So that worked out perfect, man. But yeah, man, comment below if you had your eye on these. You know, if anybody else besides me had their eyes on these as well, man. Like I said, it's a dope little shoe. Any females watching, man, let me know what if y'all went after these as well. Like I said, it was definitely a must cop for me, you know, and that's not me trying to hype up the shoe or anything like that. It was just something that caught my attention, and I wanted my Bacons back in the, you know, collection, man. You know, it's just I like the shoe, but I just knew I was never gonna wear it, you know, for what it was, you know. And that's that on that, man. But real quick, y'all, I do have another shoe that I picked up as well. Since we're doing unboxings, you know, I figured I'd show y'all this one as well. This one is also a Dunk, and this one is going to be Mystic Red Cargo Khaki. Went with a size 9. This is a men's pair. And this one right here is just a clean Dunk, man, that just recently dropped, popping up in stores. And bam, man, yes sir, we got the Nike Dunk Low Mystic Cargo, whatever. I forget the official name on them, but I'm calling them Freddy Krueger, man, because these got Freddy Krueger vibes all over it, man. And listen, these were a definite must cop when I saw images of these, man. Like I said, they had been popping up all over. I got these around the same time, man. Got these out of Foot Locker, sitting on shelves, not a problem at all. And hey, man, you know, Dunks may be dying out a little bit, and I'm kind of dunked out, if I'm honest with y'all, because I got a lot of Dunks that I just haven't worn yet, man. I mean, just honestly, when I buy Dunks, because they're so cheap, you know, I kind of throw them in the closet and forget about them. But, you know, and maybe because it's the time of year that it is as well, I'm not thinking about putting no Dunks on right now during the winter. So I think, you know, in the spring and summer months, I'm definitely gonna get more wears out of all my Dunks that I have in the collection. My Jackie Robinson Dunks still ain't touched the pavement, y'all. So that just goes to show, man, I got a lot of Dunks that I definitely need to put to the pavement, man. And we're gonna do that in 2024, man. That's one thing I did tell myself coming into the new year, man. I said I gotta be more intentional with wearing my shoes, man, because I got too many of them. And it's like, if you're gonna buy them, bro, you gotta wear them. You know, we're not buying shoes to sit up and look at and be on display and all of that, man. I'm not one of those guys. I'm not one of those collectors. I buy my shoes with the intent to put them to the pavement. You know what I'm saying? But Yes, sir, man. Let me know if this is one that was on your list as well for the holidays. I'm definitely a big fan of these, man. You know, got Freddy Krueger vibes all day. You know, that was one of my movies growing up. I loved Nightmare on Elm Street growing up, man. So, you know, this one got a little bit of sentimental value, man. You know, so definitely had to add these to the collection, man. But yes, sir, man. Just want to do a quick unboxing with y'all, man. You know, ain't nothing else going on. Ain't like we getting a lot of releases for the month of January. So just want to kind of go back and, you know, let y'all see what I've been picking up along the way, man, up until this point. So we did get the Freddy Kruegers, and we did get the women's exclusive in that bacon colorway on the dunks, man. These right here though, man, I'm telling y'all, watch what I do with these when I throw these on feet. Y'all stay tuned to Instagram, man, and watch what I do with these bacons, man, because it's gonna go down when I definitely throw a fit on with these, because I like these a lot, you know, especially. And I think when we get quality materials, that just makes me love a shoe even that much more, you know. So you know, we got a red insert in there with the pink Nike branding on the inside of these. Yeah, these are dope. These are dope. You know, I can't stress that enough, man. This is a nice shoe. They did their thing on these. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today, man. Just want to do that real quick. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and checking out this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to check out my videos as well. 10K, that is the goal for 2024. So make sure you sub up. Make sure you hit that like button, man. And let's get your boy to that 10K goal, man, by the end of 2024. So we're going to keep pumping out content. We're going to stay consistent. And that's how we rocking this year, man. All gas, no breaks. So once again, if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you lock back in, because this is a new channel, man. I lost my channel during the summertime last year, so you know, this is a new channel, y'all. So make sure you lock back in with your boy. And if you're new around here, welcome. I would love for you to join the team. So go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. And like I said, man, you'll definitely have a lot of fun around here. You know what I mean? Because that's how we get down. But I'm out of here, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. But before I go, I just want to let you know, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So always put your best foot forward. And on that note, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay fresh. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. All right? In a minute.